Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a case designed for Samsung S24 Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's from Supcase and it's called the Unicorn Beetle. So Supcase, genuine, drop protection, military standard, and yeah, let's go and check it out. So the case inside is like this, and that's soft, so you'll protect the camera lenses. The cutouts seem to be done correctly, but we'll see soon. That's rubber, and then the buttons are covered with some sort of plastic or metallic. I think it's plastic though. Yeah, plastic. So yeah, let's see if we can fit the phone without scratching it. And it's also MagSafe, so it will be compatible with MagSafe cases. So yeah, it fits really nice, and it says in their Supcase. The buttons, they feel good, and I really like this, the fact that you can cover the lenses. So when you want to take a photo, you just open this up, and also it acts as a stand for your phone, which I really like. And this is a strong door, and then it clicks in place like so. Let's try this as well, see how it's if it works with MagSafe accessories. So I actually have a MagSafe power bank that you can put it on the back of the phone. So let me just quickly take it out so we could test it. I haven't used it for a while. Let's see if it still has any juice, and it does. So that will go. Okay, there's a bit of an issue in here with that door. In this position it doesn't really work, and it should be kind of like this, and it does charges, but because of this you can't really connect this type of power banks that easy. You see, you can still put it on top like that, but it's not attached fully, as you can see. It's a bit a shame they didn't really think this through. So let me try one more thing. I also have one of these wireless chargers that go on the back of the phone. Let's see if this helps. So we'll plug this in a power source. So yeah, in this situation it works, but then I wonder why I was doing that. Connect the charger. Yeah, it's definitely charging, and it holds. Yeah, so it works with things like this and other sorts of accessories that they are within this circle. But as soon as you try and use something larger like this, although look, you can put it on a side like that. I don't know if it's charging though. It's not charging like that. So it needs to be like this. Actually, I think it went to sleep. Yeah, you can put it on a side like this, and it still charges. It's a shame the way it's been designed. But then, you know, I actually prefer having more protection than a wireless charging, but definitely you can use it like that. Not a big deal. So yeah, really nice case. It looks like it would take a hit or two. Access to the pen is fine. Speaker, microphone is there. You can even put a lanyard in there. Cutouts on the top as well. And yeah, it looks nice, and it doesn't make the phone bulky. Thanks to this, and also like the front is well protected. Look at that lip in there. Same top and down, and the back, you don't even need to care about the lenses. The only thing is, don't forget to open this when you want to take your best shot. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And as a final test, let's see if this works. Okay, so it works like this, yeah. Let's try something. So let's attach this on the back. Charging, boom. And it's charging. So now, let's take the pen out. And see if it still works. Yeah, all working fine. Thank you for watching.